Most people don't fail because of one big mistake. They fail because of small habits. Habits they repeat every single day without even realizing they're destroying their future. Every morning, every decision, every excuse, it's shaping the person you're becoming. The scary part, the habits ruining your life don't feel dangerous. They feel normal. Scrolling for just 5 minutes, putting things off until tomorrow, choosing comfort over growth. One day won't destroy your future, but repeating the same bad habits for years will. Here's the truth. Your life is nothing more than the habits you practice every day. Change your habits, and you change your future. So in this video, I'll show you the 5 bad habits you must replace before they ruin your life. Watch until the end, because habit number 5 is the one that keeps most people trapped for years without realizing it. Let's begin. 1. Constantly procrastinating. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. Then one day you look back and realize years have passed. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's choosing temporary comfort over long-term success. Successful people don't wait until they feel motivated. They take action first. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. If you want a different future, start before you feel ready. 2. Living on your phone. Every notification steals your attention. Every endless scroll steals your focus. Every hour you spend consuming someone else's life is an hour you're not building your own. Your phone is an incredible tool, but if you don't control it, it will control you. Set limits. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Protect your attention like your future depends on it. Because it does. 3. Avoiding difficult things. Your brain naturally wants comfort, easy food, easy entertainment, easy excuses. But growth never happens inside your comfort zone. Every difficult conversation, every workout, every book, every skill you learn makes you stronger. Stop asking, what's easy? Start asking, what's worth it? Because the hardest choices often create the best future. 4. Comparing yourself to everyone. Social media makes it look like everyone else is ahead. More money, better body, better lifestyle, better success. But you're comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. Comparison steals confidence. It steals gratitude. It steals progress. The only person you should compete with is the person you were yesterday. Focus on your journey. That's where real growth begins. 5. Refusing to learn. The world changes every year. New technology, new opportunities, new skills. But many people stop learning after school, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. Reading, learning, practicing, improving. These aren't hobbies, they're investments. The people who keep learning keep growing, and the people who stop learning slowly fall behind. Remember this. Your future isn't decided by luck. It's decided by what you repeatedly do. Replace bad habits with better ones. Replace excuses with action. Replace distraction with focus. Small changes every day create massive results over time. 1 year from now, you'll either thank yourself or wish you had started today. The choice is yours. If you're serious about becoming a better version of yourself, comment "New Me" below. Subscribe to the Ascentiq Mind for weekly videos on discipline, focus, success, and personal growth. Because real transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens one habit at a time.